Hello everybody, in this tutorial I will show you how to get the oxygen tank in Astroneer. This is going to be useful for having a longer oxygen capacity to travel inside of caves without the need of using tethers. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to unlock